World Leprosy Day is observed every year on which day? A. Last Monday of January. B. Last Tuesday of January. C. Last Sunday of January. D. First Monday of February. Correct answer is last Sunday of January. World Leprosy Day is observed annually on the last Sunday of January, with the 2025 observance falling on 26 January. The day is dedicated to raising awareness about leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease, and its impact on individuals and communities. Hariman Sharma, popularly known as the Apple Man of India, was recently honored with which prestigious award? A. Bharat Ratna. B. Padma Bhushan. C. Padma Shri. D. Padma Vibhushan. Correct answer is Padma Shri. Hariman Sharma, a farmer from Himachal Pradesh, has developed an innovative apple variety, HRMN 99, that thrives in warmer conditions and is disease-resistant. This variety is revolutionizing apple cultivation, benefiting over 1 lakh horticulturists in India and other countries. Sharma is recognized with the Padma Shri Award for his contributions to agriculture. Which two countries have agreed to resume direct air services and the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra? A. India and Pakistan. B. India and China. C. India and Nepal. D. India and Bangladesh. Correct answer is India and China. India and China have agreed to resume direct air services and the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, which had been suspended since the COVID pandemic and Galwan crisis. The details were discussed during Foreign Secretary Mishri's visit to China. The two nations also addressed economic, trade, and visa issues, aiming to rebuild bilateral ties by 2025. Which Chief Minister launched 4 welfare schemes on Republic Day in Telangana? A. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. B. Revanth Reddy. C. Y. S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. D. N. Chandrababu Naidu. Correct answer is Revanth Reddy. The Telangana Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy launched the 4 welfare schemes of his government Raitu Bharosa, Indiram Atmiya Bharosa, Indiram Indlu, and new ration cards on the occasion of the Republic Day on 26 January 2025. The schemes were promised by the ruling Congress party during the 2023 Telangana Legislative Assembly election. The Congress came back to power with a landslide victory. Which application recently surpassed ChatGPT on the US App Store? A. Bard AI. B. DeepSeek AI. C. Jasper AI. D. Claude AI. Correct answer is DeepSeek AI. Chinese startup DeepSeek has made headlines by surpassing OpenApp's ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app in the US on Apple's App Store. Founded in 2023, DeepSeek has quickly gained prominence with its advanced models, particularly a reasoning model that rivals OpenAI's technology. Where is the Sambhar Festival 2025 being celebrated? A. Pushkar Lake, Rajasthan. B. Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan. C. Fateh Sagar Lake, Udaipur. D. Nakki Lake, Mount Abu. Correct answer is Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan. The Sambhar Festival, a vibrant celebration of culture, adventure, and heritage, was inaugurated on 24 January 2025 at the famous Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan. This 5-day festival, organized by the Rajasthan Tourism Department and District Administration, aims to attract tourists while showcasing the region's rich culture, traditions, and natural beauty. Who won the recent presidential election in Belarus as the incumbent president? A. Alexander Lukashenko. B. Vladimir Putin. C. Volodymyr Zelensky. D. Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. Correct answer is Alexander Lukashenko. Long-time Belarusian leader Alexander Lukashenko has been declared winner of a disputed presidential election, securing a seventh straight term, according to the country's electoral body. Belarus incumbent President Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election. Preliminary data from the Central Election Commission shows that Lukashenko received 86.82% of the vote. Which central scheme aims to cover crop damage caused by animals? A. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. B. National Animal Disease Control Program. C. Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. Correct answer is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Animals are reported to widely destroy standing crops across seasons in a lot of states, and farmers have often highlighted the need to cover such damages under insurance claims. The Union government has decided to expand the ambit of the PM Fasal Bima Yojana, the flagship farm insurance scheme, to include crop damage by animals as a ground for payouts, a long-standing demand by farmers, an official said on Monday. Where is Prime Minister Narendra Modi set to kick off the 38th National Games in 2025? A. Jaipur. B. Dehradun. C. Bhopal. D. Lucknow. Correct answer is Dehradun. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 38th National Games on Tuesday in Dehradun. The event will feature around 10,000 athletes across 45 disciplines, including Kalaripayattu and rafting. Dehradun will host 17 events, while Haldwani, Haridwar, Rishikesh, and other cities will host various other sports. The games will conclude on 14th February in Haldwani. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.